हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे कौन से वो सोर्सेस है जहाँ से हमें पता चला कि अर्थ का सरफेस में कौन से लेयर है, कौन से टाइप के रॉक्स है, उसके बारे में। सॉलिड अर्थ मटेरियल इज सरफेस रॉक और रॉक वी गेट फ्रॉम माइनिंग। गोल्ड माइन इन अफ्रीका इज 3 to 4 किलोमीटर। हम गोल्ड माइन को सिर्फ 3 से 4 किलोमीटर तक ही ले सकते हैं क्योंकि अंदर बहुत गर्मी होगी इसलिए। Then there are some drilling projects like deep ocean drilling project and integrated ocean drilling project. So the deepest drill is at Kola in Arctic Ocean, has far depth of 12 kilometer. So this is important information. Now volcanic eruption, another source of direct when molten magma comes out of then used for laboratory test. So these were direct sources. Now we will discuss about indirect sources. Temperature and pressure increase with increasing distance from the surface towards the interior in deeper depth. Density of material also increases with depth. Knowing total thickness of Earth, scientists estimate value of temp, press, and density at different path. Then another source is meteors. The material and structure observed from meteor is similar to Earth. Then there is another source like gravitation force, magnetic field, and seismic activity. So these are the sources which we can tell that what are the different types of layer in earth and material that are surrounded in it. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.